The law is confusing. Lawyers write contracts and legal advice in such dense legalese. Clients who can afford legal advice often end up paying for something that they don't even understand. And this can sometimes make lawyers feel stressed and unfulfilled.
And so lawyers' clients, like graphic designers, creative people, are trying to read and understand these contracts and they can't read them. They don't know what it says and they end up not understanding what their rights are. They aren't able to feel confident in their business. So we think it's time that the legal industry and the design industry came together and collaborated to have a look at different ways to present legal information and contracts. So, what better way?
What better way to end the bamboozling than doing this during Melbourne Design Week, 26 March to 5 April. Be inspired as we take you through a workshop with legal and design modules. Lawyers, you'll leave with an appreciation of legal design. Designers, you'll leave understanding more about legal concepts relating to your work and perhaps even your own contract to use with customers.
So if you are interested in learning more about legal design, if you're interested in learning more about legals and how you can redesign contracts that suit your brand voice, come along to our contract design workshop during Melbourne Design Week. The link to register your interest is somewhere near here and we'll be in touch with the details. Come on and learn about legal design and contract design. We are looking forward to seeing you there.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. We are bringing together designers and lawyers to solve world hunger. Legal confusion.
I think it's kind of fun.
Is it?
Like being in a submarine.
It is time. Sorry. I get excited.
To end the bamboozling.
Designed to create a legal device. Legal device? Legal? Legal device? There we go. Take two.
Starting at the top.
I'll just start from the end bit. And we'll get in touch with the details.